A ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court today affects tens of thousands of Hawaii government union workers.
So now non-union workers cannot be forced to pay fees to public service unions.
Manolo Morales looks ahead at the potential impact of the ruling today. Manolo.
Well, Dash and Marissa, the High Court's decision reverses a law that's been in effect for more than 40 years. I spoke with union leaders who tell me they don't expect a lot of their members to opt out. The ruling affects all union government workers for the state and county. HGEA is the largest public sector union in Hawaii with nearly 30,000 members. The executive director tells me workers who decide not to pay union dues will still get the health benefits and raises negotiated by HGEA. He expects some will do that, but not many.
I'm pretty confident that the great majority of people, not only in HGA, but in the other public sector unions in Hawaii, will remain members because they see the value of it.
Congresswoman Colleen Hanabusa, who's also a longtime labor union attorney, tells me Hawaii workers still see the value of the services provided by unions and would not want to get a free ride.
I think Hawaii is just the way many of us have been raised, that's not something that people would do, that they just won't just take the benefit and not pay for it.
The governor expressed disappointment in the ruling and points out that there are still questions on how it will work.
We understand that the Supreme Court is the court of the land, and we are evaluating what the decision means and how we will implement it.
Hanabusa points out that it might come down to workers paying a la carte for different services by the union.
You can charge for specific services as long as it isn't a blanket percentage of whatever the quote-unquote the members pay.
Union leaders add that they will put more emphasis on letting members know where their union dues are going.
We just have to learn how to approach it a different way now to educate our members.
Now, it could take months before all this is implemented, as specifics need to be worked out between the unions, and the state and county will follow up and ask the unions if their membership numbers drop. Dash, over to you.